morning, everybody. It's me again, Susi, your teacher of English. Today's lesson, inshallah, is a lesson of grammar. It is about the past perfect simple. And this lesson is for second year baccalaureate students. So let's see the sentence in the whiteboard. Yesterday, I had brushed my teeth before I went to bed. We can write it differently. Yesterday, I went to bed after I had brushed my teeth. Now, in this sentence above, how many actions do I have? First question. Second question, when did this sentence take place? Did it take place in the present or in the past? And how many actions do I have? One action, two or more? Very good. So the sentence took place in the past because we have yesterday. This is the first element. Second element is that we have good two actions. What is the first action? I had brushed my teeth. Very good. This is the first sentence, first action. Second action or second sentence, I went to bed. Good. So both actions happened in the past. Good. Did they happen at the same time? Good. No, it didn't happen at the same time. So we have two actions in the past and one action happened before another. Which one happened first? Went to bed? No, good. So I had brushed my teeth and then I finished brushing my teeth. I went to bed to sleep. So two actions. This is the first action. So if this is our timeline, this is future, and this is past. So we are speaking here. So I had brushed my teeth happened here. It's the first action. And then after I finished brushing my teeth, I went to bed. And this is the second action. So here, I had brushed my teeth. And here, went to bed. Very good. I'll give you another example. Yesterday, example, I watched TV after I had finished my homework. Good. How many actions do I have? Good. Two actions. I watched TV. Second action, I had finished my homework. Which one happened first? Which one happened first in the timeline? Which one happened first? Good. I finished my homework first. When I finished my studies and my homework and the assignments I have, then I switched on TV to watch it. So this is the first action, so it happened here, and this is the second action. Good. Now, do you notice the difference in tenses? Had brushed, went. This verb is in, very good, in simple past. What about this verb? It's not simple past, it is the past perfect. The past perfect. Now, if I want you to tell me what is its form, how is this past perfect formed? If we want to write here the rule, form. how is the past perfect formed? So we have the use of the verb had plus, this is not simple past, this is a past participle. So it's the verb had. What is had? It's the simple past of the verb have. So the form is to have, the verb to have in simple past plus the past participle of the verb. So this is how we form the past perfect. I repeat, the past perfect is formed by using the verb have in the simple past plus the past participle of the verb. Let's say, for example, the verb play. I had played. Good. Let's say the verb go. I had gone. Excellent. Let's say the verb watch. I had watched, for example. So it's very simple. You need just to know how to conjugate your verbs so that you can put it right. So this is how we form the past perfect. Now let's see its different parts. Let's say its different forms: the affirmative, the negative, and the interrogative. Let's say affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Let's take the first example. I had brushed my teeth. Let's take this example. Good. I had brushed my teeth. You had brushed my teeth. He, she, it, all the pronouns. So the same form with all the pronouns. What about negative form? We would say I had plus the negative form not and the verb in the past participle. I had not brushed my teeth. And we can write it in a short form or contract form. Good. Hadn't. I hadn't brushed my teeth. And the same form again with all the pronouns. For the interrogative form, you remember you need to make an inversion. The inversion between the auxiliary had and the personal pronoun I. So here it's going to be had I brushed my teeth? Question mark. Had you brushed your teeth? Etc. So inversion between the personal pronoun or personal pronouns and the auxiliary had. So this is for the form. Now for the use. If we want to know when we use the the use. So we can say that the past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened in the past. Very important element. Before another action. So this is very important. Happened in the past. In the past. So the role of the past perfect is to order actions in the past. So if we still remember the example of the timeline, we have two actions. So the first action normally is put in the past perfect, and the action that comes after is put in the simple past. That's why some grammarians, they call the past perfect here the past of this past. So please bear in mind these two elements or these two things. So for the form, we use it with the past perfect is had plus the past participle. When can we use the past perfect simple? To speak about an action that took place in the past or happened in the past before another one. So when you have two actions in the past and you want to put them in order, the first action is put in the past perfect and the one that comes after in the simple past. So let's see some exercises. So let's have a look at this exercise. It's a small exercise to see if you understood. Listen. So the question is, put the verbs in brackets in the simple past or the past perfect. By the way, this is a small example of the national exam question concerning tenses. Sorry. The movie start before I arrive. So I have here two actions. This is one action, this is another action. And pay attention to the word before. The word before in the sentence is very important because it is the key word that shows me the succession of actions in the past. Which one is the first and which one is the second. When we verb finish dinner, we verb go out. When, sorry, there is a pronoun there. When I arrive to the station, sorry, there is a mistake here. Pronoun I. When I arrive to the station, the train already verb leave. Already like déjà. Already verb leave is an adverb which is often used with the past perfect tense. So let's see how are you going to do the exercise. The first one. The movie. Good. Had started. Excellent job. Had started before I good arrived. Because the film started before and then I arrived after. So this is the first action. This is the second action. The first action in the past perfect. The second one in the simple past. Number two. When we verb finish dinner, we go out. So what is the first action? Finish. The second action, go. So this one needs to be in the past perfect. Good. Had finished dinner, we go. Good, good, very good, excellent. Went, excellent, very good. Went out. Number three. And pay attention, we have here already. When I arrived, so this is very easy because half of the sentence is already done. So this is the second action in the simple past. Automatically this one is in the past perfect. But just pay attention to this adverb. We would say the train had, and then we put the adverb of this adverb here, already, and then the verb. Excellent, left. Sorry, I don't have enough space. So I'm going to write it here so that you can notice how we placed the adverb. Had already left. Pay attention, the adverb is put between the auxiliary had and the past participle of the verb. So for the adverbs that are used with the past perfect, normally you will find adverbs like already, like just, like as soon as, like words like before, after, when. So these are some words that normally we call them indicators. They are indicators. They are words that show me exactly the tense that I'm going to use in the sentence. So one more point, very, very important point, is that you need to know your irregular verbs. As you have noticed, sometimes we need to know exactly the verb form, the past participle or the simple past. So you need to learn your irregular verbs as soon as possible. Please do that before the national exam. So I hope I was of great help to you, and I wish you good luck and see you inshallah in the next video. Bye.